Hello and welcome to the Learners Daily. In this video, we will see current updates for 22nd and 23rd July 2020. So let's start. The first question is July 22 is observed as World Brain Day, World Peace Day, World Population Day, World Leprosy Day. So the correct answer is World Brain Day. This year, World Brain Day is dedicated to raising awareness for Parkinson's disease. It is caused by a loss of nerve cells in a specific part of the brain. And what are the symptoms associated with this disease? Tremors in the hand or the arms, slow movement, and muscle stiffness that makes facial expressions more difficult. Shakteng Wildlife Sanctuary was in news recently. It is located in which state? Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh. So the correct option is B. Bhutan. China has a state claim over the Shakteng Wildlife Sanctuary in Bhutan at the Global Environment Facility Council and opposed funding to the project. Claim is regarding the border demarcation which has not been delimited. Next question is, as per Goldman Sachs report, global internet e-commerce steepening curve, India e-commerce is expected to grow at what percent by 2024? 11%, 19%, 27% or 51%. So the correct answer is option C, 27%. Goldman Sachs is an investment bank and financial services company. It is headquartered in New York, US. Next question is, which cricketer has attained the number 1 rank in Test all-rounder list? Jason Holder, Ravindra Jadeja, Ben Stokes, Mitchell Starc. So the correct answer is option C, Ben Stokes. Ben Stokes is an English cricketer. As per the Char Dham Devasthanam Management Act 2019, how many temples are brought under the control of State Government of Uttarakhand? 29, 44, 51, 72. So the correct answer is option C, that is 51. Recently, Uttarakhand High Court upheld the constitutional validity of this act, and the constitutional validity of this act was challenged by Subramaniam Swamy. Next question is, Zoom Video Communication is going to open its technology center in which city? Bengaluru, New Delhi, Hyderabad, Gurugram. So the correct answer is option A, Bengaluru. Zoom Video Communication is an American communication technology company headquartered in San Jose, California. Eric Yuan is its founder. Our next question is, what is the amount of Corona fund that will be set up by the European Union? Euro 750 billion, Euro 500 billion, Euro 350 billion or Euro 200 billion. So the correct answer is option A, that is Euro 750 billion. European Union adopted the common currency Euro in 1999 and European Union consists of 27 members. Its headquarters is in Brussels, in Belgium. Next question is, which company has rolled out 5G networks for industrial workers? Reliance Jio, Bharti Airtel, BSNL Limited or Nokia? So the correct answer is option D, Nokia. Nokia is headquartered in Espoo, Finland and Rajiv Suri is its CEO. Our next question is, what is the name of the summit hosted by the US-India Business Council and primarily addressed by PM Narendra Modi? India Ideas Summit, India US Biz Summit, India Invention Summit, India US Dosti Summit. So the correct answer is option A, India Ideas Summit. India has signed an agreement for establishment of emergency medical services with which country? Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar or Maldives? So the correct answer is option D, Maldives. Capital of Maldives is Male. Currency of Maldives is Maldivian Rupiah and 1 Maldivian Rupiah is equivalent to 4.88 Indian Rupee. Our next question is, which Indian states tops the list of generating maximum biomedical waste? Delhi, Tamil Nadu, Mumbai, Uttar Pradesh, and the correct answer is option C, Mumbai. And the top generators are Mumbai, followed by Gujarat, and followed by Delhi. Next question is Kakrapar Atomic Power Project KAPP3 in Gujarat achieved its first criticality. It is the country's first and biggest indigenously developed variant of the PHWR of capacity what? 500 megawatt, 550 megawatt, 700 megawatt or 1000 megawatt, and the answer is option C, 7000 megawatt. So what does achieving criticality means? A nuclear reactor achieves criticality when each fission event releases a sufficient number of neutrons to sustain an ongoing series of reactions. What is the full form of PHWR? It is pressurized heavy water reactor. It uses heavy wet water, that is D2O, as its coolant and neutron moderator. India's three-stage nuclear program. Let's know about it. Homi Jahangir Bhabha envisioned India's nuclear power program in 3 stages to suit the country's low uranium resource profile. So what was the stage first? Heavy water reactors fueled by natural uranium produce plutonium. And what is stage second? It is fueled by a mix of plutonium and natural uranium. With sufficient stocks, thorium is introduced to convert it into uranium-233. What is stage 3? It is a final stage. Mix of thorium and uranium fuels the reactor. Thorium transmutes to uranium-233, which powers the reactor. Andrew Morenzini, who died recently, was anti-apartheid campaigner, anti-tax campaigner, ex-US senator, ex-president of Sudan. So the correct answer is option A, anti-apartheid campaigner. And he was a South African citizen. Wirecard, financial giant which has gone bankrupt, is headquartered in which country? France, Germany, USA or Sweden? So the correct answer is option B, Germany. What is the name of first antigen kit of India made by MyLab Discovery Solutions? Rapid Plus, FastGen, PathoCatch, TubeGen. So the correct answer is option C, PathoCatch. Which Indian state launched Naveen Rozgar Chhatri Yojana? Assam, Odisha, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh. So the correct answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Let us know about this scheme. This scheme targets 7.5 lakh families of scheduled caste in 2020 and 21 by providing financial assistance to support people to become self-reliant. Which company is associated with the Global Selling Program? Amazon, Flipkart, Paytm or Walmart India? So the correct answer is Amazon, that is option A. And Walmart India is acquired by now Flipkart. What is the name of the drone dedicated by DRDO to Indian Army to conduct accurate aerial surveillance in high altitude areas? Arya, Brahma, Ghatak or Bharat? So the correct answer is option D, that is Bharat. So this is all for today. Subscribe our channel for daily current affairs. Thank you.